Boo! I'm Heather Bailey, coming to you from Arizona, fabric designer, sewing pattern designer, bat doll maker. We're getting together in August for the Homemade Holidays event, and I will be teaching you the Betty Boo sock doll. Super fun, super easy to make. It starts with a Halloween sock, and then you will also receive all the little bits and pieces needed, all the little buttons and flowers and anything you need to make a super cute bat doll. There are lots of varieties, all sorts. In fact, every Betty Boo that comes with a little bow on her ear, the bow can be moved down to the neck to make a little boy bat. And then there is an optional vampire cape. So just to give you a sense of what's coming your way, I hope you'll join me in the class. We're gonna have a ton of fun. And honestly, you know, who doesn't need some fun this year?